Well, we promote and celebrate Yiddish culture in the Bay Area. And we do everything we can to get people to celebrate Yiddish culture. We have roughly once a year a festival that the big ones attract 400 to 500 people. And they're like KlezCamp, but shorter. Virtually everything is participatory. We call it a festival, but we're not like the Bay Area Jewish Music Festival, which is virtually all performances, because we believe that a culture thrives when people do it themselves. When you hum a Yiddish song to your child, that does so much more than taking the kid to a concert where he or she hears other people singing Yiddish, that it has to be doing it ourselves for the culture to thrive. We also have smaller tastes of Yiddish culture, which is what we call klezmer dance parties, Yiddish sing-alongs. We have 2 Yiddish conversation salons at different levels that meet every other month. We co-sponsor events of other organizations, and we have a newsletter that goes to 1,900 people. It's an e-newsletter that reports on every Yiddish-related event in the Bay Area.